conference on the future of Europe has entered the home straight. Citizens' panel's representatives returned to Strasbourg. They were joined by members of the European and national parliaments, EU institutions and civil society to fine-tune their proposals for a better EU. Finishing touches were put in perspective by the war in Ukraine.
The citizens want the solidarity. I think this is the lesson we have to learn from this. We cannot have migration and asylum policy without solidarity.
Ukraine featured heavily as conference plenary debated democracy, rights and values and Europe's place in the world.
Što smo tražili manju ovisnost od pojedinih država van Evropske unije, da smo to napravili, odnosno tražili prije godinu i pol dana, vjerovatno se Evropa ne bi našla u situaciji u kakvoj smo sada, znači ovisnost o Rusiji, poskupljenja i tako dalje.
Plenary also discussed the digital transformation, climate change and health, jobs and social justice.
Wie bringen wir also eine nachhaltige, zukunftsfeste und offene Wirtschaft in die Lage versetzt, dass sie den Interessen von Bürgerinnen und Bürgern entspricht? Es geht eigentlich jetzt darum, mit diesem Papier in die Zukunft zu schauen, den Kompromiss konkret zu machen, zu formulieren.
In Europa si parla di food security, di sicurezza alimentare. È importante per la salute complessiva dei cittadini.
Plenary is set to meet once more before handing final conclusions to the presidents of the three main European institutions. Conference organisers want to continue the exercise in European consultative democracy.
The idea is in the future to have maybe a permanent system, so this is not the end of this type of experience.